best thing or one of the best feeling. It's like a mother giving birth to a child. A lot of youngsters are not willing to do these kind of work, and that is the major drawback to this. Once they have the resource, I think that even if it's not something that you like, you probably will eventually get to like it after a time. The older folks, they have, lived through it and maybe have passed the time or the capability of doing the work. And then it's time for the younger generation, which most of them don't seem to be interested in any of these kind of work. But I think it should be an inspiration for younger youths. But what I do is to just like tease social media with what's coming or what are some of the products that I have. And a lot of persons do support me, like close schoolmates and past schoolmates, they do support me. I have to get my hands dirty every weekend, not only just posting pictures, but I have to get in there and do the work myself. Making an impact in terms of contributing to Jamaica's development in producing more of what we consume. Right? I think that's one of the things that we as a nation should invest more in. So I want to be a part of that.